Let's face it, we've all been there. That moment when you realize it's been days since your last comfortable trip to the bathroom. That feeling of being backed up, bloated, and uncomfortable is something nobody enjoys. It can disrupt your day, making it hard to focus on anything else. Constipation is incredibly common, affecting millions worldwide. It's not just an inconvenience, it can be a significant health issue if not addressed properly. It can leave you feeling sluggish, uncomfortable, and even impact your self-esteem. The constant discomfort can make you feel less like yourself. But before you reach for the laxatives, know that there are natural, effective ways to get things moving again. Laxatives can be harsh and sometimes lead to dependency. Your gut is a complex system, and sometimes it needs a little encouragement to function at its best. Understanding how your digestive system works can help you make better choices. In this guide, we'll explore drug-free techniques to relieve constipation and promote healthy bowel movements. Simple changes like increasing your water intake and eating more fiber-rich foods can have a big impact. These simple lifestyle changes can make a world of difference, empowering you to take control of your digestive health. Regular physical activity, like walking or yoga, can also help keep things moving. Get ready to say goodbye to discomfort and hello to regularity. With the right approach, you can enjoy a healthier, more comfortable life. Navigating the world of gut health can feel overwhelming, but thankfully, we have experts like Dr. Karan Rajan to guide us. Dr. Rajan is an NHS surgeon who has garnered a massive following on TikTok for his clear, engaging explanations of complex medical topics. He's passionate about making health information accessible, and his tips for combating constipation are no exception. Dr. Rajan emphasizes simple, effective techniques that work with your body, not against it. Forget complicated medical jargon and expensive treatments. Dr. Rajan's approach is all about empowering you with knowledge and practical tools to improve your gut health naturally. Let's dive into his top recommendations for banishing constipation for good. First up is the intriguing-sounding pendulum technique. Don't worry, you won't need a grandfather clock for this one. This technique involves subtle body movements that encourage bowel movements by gently stimulating your digestive system. Here's how it works. Sit comfortably on the toilet with your feet flat on the floor. Now imagine your torso is a pendulum, gently swinging from side to side. This motion helps to loosen the stool and promote movement through the colon. The pendulum technique is a gentle yet effective way to get things moving, especially when combined with other techniques we'll discuss. Next, we have abdominal massage, a technique that's as relaxing as it is effective. By gently massaging your abdomen, you can help stimulate the muscles in your intestines, encouraging them to contract and propel waste along. To perform an abdominal massage, start by lying on your back with your knees bent. Place your hands on your abdomen just below your rib cage. Using gentle circular motions, massage your abdomen in a clockwise direction. This follows the natural path of the colon and aids in moving stool towards the rectum. Remember, consistency is key. Incorporate abdominal massage into your daily routine, especially if you're prone to constipation. Section 5. Breathe your way to regularity diaphragmatic breathing. In this section, we will explore how a simple yet effective breathing technique can significantly improve your digestive health and overall well-being. You might be surprised to learn that something as simple as breathing can impact your digestive health. Yes, the way you breathe can influence how well your digestive system functions, helping to alleviate issues like constipation. Diaphragmatic breathing, also known as belly breathing, is a powerful technique for relieving constipation and promoting overall well-being. This method encourages full oxygen exchange, which can slow the heartbeat and lower or stabilize blood pressure. When you engage in diaphragmatic breathing, your diaphragm, a large muscle below your lungs, contracts and relaxes more deeply. This deep contraction and relaxation help to massage your internal organs. This movement massages the internal organs, including your intestines, stimulating digestion and promoting bowel regularity. The gentle pressure and release can help move food through your digestive tract more efficiently. To practice, sit or lie down comfortably. Find a position where you can fully relax your body and focus on your breathing without any distractions. Place one hand on your chest and the other on your abdomen. This helps you to feel the movement of your diaphragm and ensures you're breathing correctly. Inhale deeply through your nose, allowing your abdomen to expand. Feel your hand on your abdomen rise as you take in a full breath. Exhale slowly through your mouth, gently contracting your abdominal muscles. Feel your hand on your abdomen fall as you release the breath. Practice this for 5 to 10 minutes daily. Consistency is key, and over time you will notice improvements in your digestive health and overall sense of calm and well-being. Make diaphragmatic breathing a part of your daily routine for the best results. Section 6. Stop the strain. Protecting your pelvic floor. We've all been there. That feeling of needing to strain to have a bowel movement. But did you know that chronic straining can weaken your pelvic floor muscles, leading to issues like incontinence and even hemorrhoids? Instead of straining, focus on creating a relaxed and supported environment for bowel movements. Use a squatty potty or similar device to elevate your feet and mimic a more natural squatting position. This helps to relax the muscles in your rectum, making it easier to go. Remember, forcing it is never the answer. If you're struggling to go, try the techniques we've discussed and be patient with your body. Section 7. Fiber is your friend, fueling regularity. Now let's talk about the power of fiber. Fiber is essential for digestive health, acting like a natural broom that sweeps waste through your digestive tract. It adds bulk to your stool, making it easier to pass and preventing constipation. Aim to include a variety of fiber-rich foods in your diet, such as fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Start your day with a high-fiber breakfast like overnight oats with berries and chia seeds, or enjoy a lentil soup packed with vegetables for lunch. Remember to increase your fiber intake gradually to avoid digestive discomfort, and always drink plenty of water throughout the day to help fiber move through your system effectively. Section 8. Beyond the toilet, hydration and movement. While we've covered some powerful techniques for relieving constipation, remember that true gut health goes beyond the toilet bowl. Staying adequately hydrated is crucial for preventing and relieving constipation. Water helps to soften stool, making it easier to pass, and keeps things moving through your digestive tract. In addition to drinking plenty of water throughout the day, incorporate movement into your daily routine. Even gentle exercise like walking can stimulate bowel activity and promote regularity. By prioritizing hydration and movement, you're not just addressing constipation but supporting your overall health and well-being. Section 9. Reclaim your throne, a toolkit for relief. In this section, we will delve into a comprehensive toolkit designed to help you alleviate constipation and restore your digestive health. These techniques are natural, effective, and easy to incorporate into your daily life. Congratulations! You're now armed with a toolkit of natural, effective techniques to banish constipation and reclaim your digestive comfort. These methods are not just quick fixes, but long-term solutions that can significantly improve your quality of life. Remember, consistency is key when it comes to gut health. Keeping a journal can help you track your progress and identify which techniques work best for you. Mark your calendar to remind yourself to practice these techniques daily. Make these techniques a part of your daily routine, and don't be afraid to experiment to find what works best for you. Everyone's body is different, so it's important to tailor these methods to suit your unique needs. Listen to your body, be patient, and celebrate the small victories along the way. Each step you take towards better digestive health is a step worth celebrating. Whether it's a day without discomfort or a successful bowel movement, acknowledge your progress. Here's a quick recap of the techniques we've covered. These are simple yet powerful methods that can make a big difference in your digestive health. Pendulum technique. Gentle side-to-side movements while sitting on the toilet. This technique helps to stimulate your bowels and can make the process of elimination smoother and more efficient. Abdominal massage. Clockwise massage to stimulate intestinal muscles. This can help to move stool through your intestines and relieve any blockages or discomfort you may be experiencing. Diaphragmatic breathing. Deep belly breathing to massage internal organs. This technique not only helps with relaxation but also promotes better digestion by stimulating your digestive organs. Avoid straining. Protect your pelvic floor and create a relaxed environment. Straining can cause more harm than good, so it's important to stay relaxed and let your body do its job naturally. Prioritize fiber. Include fiber-rich foods like fruits, vegetables, legumes, and whole grains. Fiber is essential for keeping your digestive system running smoothly and preventing constipation. Stay hydrated. Drink plenty of water throughout the day. Hydration is key to softening stool and making it easier to pass. Aim for at least 8 glasses of water a day. Get moving. Incorporate gentle exercise into your routine. Physical activity helps to stimulate your digestive system and can prevent constipation. Even a short walk can make a big difference. Embrace these natural solutions and embark on your journey to a happier, healthier gut. With consistency and patience, you'll find that these techniques can greatly improve your digestive health and overall well-being.